Hello, it is Sunday, December 25th, 2011 at 36 minutes past midnight Central Standard Time. I wanted to show you this system we've got going in Texas here that's rotating. It's been rotating for a little while now. But what's interesting is it would appear that the Doppler radars are actually controlling the turning of the storm. We're at the College of DuPage website, their Next Generation Weather Lab. And let's go look at the individual Dopplers. We got one right here. Oh, let me pull this up further before we... This is Amarillo. And then this is Cannon Air Force Base, New Mexico. And over here we've got Frederick. And here we've got Dyess Air Force Base. And down here we have San Angelo. And actually it looks like, if you look at this, you can see that it looks like it's coming out of San Angelo. See how it looks like it's being generated there? And then this is Odessa right here. So let's go look at the individual sites. The loop we're looking at right here goes from 3:15 UTC to 6 UTC on December 25th. So this is Austin, which is not the one we want to see. Let's go back here and let's start at Lubbock, since Lubbock is at the center of things. You can see that these striations, they looks like it moves from Odessa over to San Angelo. We'll see if those radars show the same thing. Let's go look at Amarillo. Amarillo, Texas. See, the Doppler radar is right here. I also wonder if this solid beam has anything to do with it, because it almost looks like the force is going that way. Like this is 90 degrees to it. You can kind of see a couple lines come up right here. Here's a couple of them. And it's rotating, and it's not going past this point. And if you watch down in here too, it looks like they're kind of getting smashed. Let's go look at Cannon Air Force Base in New Mexico. And again, it's rotating right here, but it's avoiding the Doppler radar. And this, I'm wondering if this little thing has something to do with it. We're not really getting a beam, although there's one that looks like it tries to come in a couple times. But see how, and that would make sense if we're looking at that 90 degree, the same thing were happening at the other one. Let's zoom in and look at this little thing here. Yeah, I have to go check what that is. Whatever it is, it's up in the high end of the scale, and it's staying lit up too. Let's go, I'll show you the scale. See here, white is at the top end, and that was all white right in there. Let's go look at, going around the circle, we'll go down to Odessa, Texas. Well, that's interesting. It looks like there's a beam that comes out right there, and then it pulls up into it. And see, it makes almost a 90 right up in here too. Let's stop it. There we go. Right here, and then right here too, there's a line. See it? Right here. Let's see. That's at the beginning of the loop. There's the beam right there at 341 UTC. And there's remnants of it continuing for a couple frames, and then it pulls back. It actually comes out a few more times too. There at 520, and then it starts pulling in, and again it's at a 90 degrees to the beam that it seems to be affecting it. All right, let's go look at this one's San Angelo, and that's the one where it looked like it was being generated from the most. Yeah. This kind of pulls up and then something else pulls down. See that? This is going up and that's coming down. I'm not seeing any beams really here. It almost looks like there's a rotation on, a real tight rotation right in here. I want to zoom in so you can see it a little better. And what haven't we looked at yet? Oh, Dyess, Air Force Base. Now those other ones, I don't know if I pointed it out, they're in clear mode. And I thought that was interesting because, I'll go show you again, because I mean the rain, the precipitation is clearly going over the Doppler, and yet here's the mode right down here. You can see it. This is set on PR. It also looks like these little things here, these little lines. It looks like they're spraying out something right here. You see it? I'll zoom in. See that? Right in here. And then this one, you can actually see the other precipitation is going right on through and around it. It's not like pushing it away or anything. Actually, it looks like it's making it. And then Frederick up here, Frederick, Oklahoma. And that's in precipitation mode. You can tell by the blue colors too. And that's kind of letting things float through too. It's not like pushing it away or anything. But it doesn't look like anything's being generated here either. So let me go show you those other two to show you that they're in the clear mode. Up here in Amarillo, you can see right here it's CL, that's clear mode. Then Cannon Air Force Base also. And you can see right here it's in clear mode. So anyway, yeah, there you have it. God bless you. Hello, I wanted to add something to the last video. I'm at Dyess Air Force Base here, and here's Dallas-Fort Worth, and here's the interstate. I want to show you that what these things are that's all lit up, that looks like they're putting out rain here. So you follow the interstate and you find the down line and you look at the counties, and this is the county with the cutout, and these are two squares. I know I'm going fast. And then you look down in this corner of it, and this is Abilene right here. So we go over to Google Earth, Dallas, there's the down slope, go in. Now we got our counties. This one's got the cutout. I'll go in a little closer. There we go. Go over to, it's down in this corner right here. You go in there, and you can see it right here. What we have is a wind farm. So that's what all those little stringy things are that's all lit up. And I'll go in real close so you can see. And there it is. So there you have it. God bless you.